As a Girlguiding Cymru ambassador, I'm charged to act as a representative to tell others about what Girlguiding does and the opportunities it gives to girls and young women. This month saw the opening in Buckley Library of the Pushing Boundaries exhibition that had previously been at the National Library for Wales, charting the history of girlguiding in Wales to date. Also this month, the National Child Development Study reported that people who are in the Scouts or Guides in childhood have better mental health in their life, stating it could be the lessons in resilience and resolve that such organisations offer that has such a lasting positive impact. The recently launched Girlguiding Comrie strategic plan, Being Our Best, Bodau'n Gorau, focuses on 4 key areas: excellence, access, capacity and voice, and plans the path Girlguiding Cymru will take to 2021. Their vision is to provide an exciting, fun and relevant programme for girls and young women in an equal world where all girls can make a positive difference, be happy, safe and fulfil their potential. Their new strategic plan will help them achieve their vision and ensure that girls in Wales have the best guiding experience possible. So let us together support Girlguiding Cymru's volunteer leaders in their commitment to extending entitlement and upholding the rights of all the girls and young women in their care.
Yeah. Thank you very much.